This recording is published by Langogh, 2025. This recording is copyright. This is the IELTS listening test. You will hear a number of different recordings and you will have to answer questions on what you hear. There will be time for you to read the instructions and questions and you will have a chance to check your work. All the recordings will be played once only. You will hear a man or woman speaking to a group of people. You will be asked to answer questions based on the recording. You will have 30 seconds to read the questions before the recording begins. Now listen carefully and answer questions.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to discuss how modern workplaces have been transformed by advancements in technology, particularly artificial intelligence, remote work tools, and automation. The workplace of the 21st century is vastly different from what it was just a few decades ago, and understanding these changes is crucial for both employers and employees to navigate this new landscape effectively. Firstly, the integration of artificial intelligence into the workplace has revolutionized the way tasks are completed. AI systems can perform repetitive, mundane tasks with greater speed and accuracy than humans, freeing up employees to focus on more complex and creative work. This shift has led to the development of new job roles that didn't exist before, such as AI ethicist and machine learning engineer. However, it also means that certain jobs, especially those that involve repetitive tasks, are at risk of being automated. Remote work tools have also significantly impacted the modern workplace. With the advent of high-speed internet, cloud computing, and collaboration software, it's easier than ever for employees to work from anywhere. This shift towards remote work has increased productivity among employees, as they can often work in environments that are more conducive to their individual needs. It also offers greater flexibility, allowing employees to balance their work and personal life more effectively. Despite the benefits, remote work presents its own set of challenges, such as the potential for social isolation. Employers must be proactive in addressing these challenges, for example, by organizing regular team-building activities or check-ins to ensure that remote workers feel connected to the rest of the team. Automation, another key factor in modern workplaces, has led to the replacement of many manual jobs. While this might seem alarming, it also presents an opportunity for employees to develop new skills, particularly digital skills, that are in high demand. The ability to work with technology, understand data, and develop digital products is crucial in today's job market. In terms of the future of work, emerging technologies such as blockchain, the Internet of Things, IoT, and virtual reality will continue to reshape the workplace. These technologies will introduce new job roles and require employees to be lifelong learners, continually updating their skills to remain relevant. Employers will also need to adapt, investing in the training and development of their employees to ensure they have the skills needed to thrive in this changing environment. Furthermore, the modern workplace faces challenges such as ensuring strong data security. With more employees working remotely and using personal devices for work, the risk of data breaches increases. Employers must implement robust security measures, such as encryption and multi-factor authentication, to protect company data. In conclusion, the modern workplace is a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Advances in technology have brought about both opportunities and challenges. As we look to the future, it's clear that the ability to adapt, to be open to change, and to continually learn and develop new skills will be key to success. Whether you're an employer or an employee, understanding these trends and being proactive in addressing the challenges they present will be crucial in navigating the modern workplace effectively. Thank you.
Visit langogh.com to view the answers to these questions or to access more tests.